Okay, it's Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. This is kind of a gaming video, one of our first. This is Robogear, the game that we have. And so we're just going to kind of, Lincoln and I, he's my geeky son. He's the one that loves to play games. And that's Lincoln, he wears a beard. Anyway, we're just going to show you the basics of the game. And we want to show you the miniatures that come in the game. They can be painted. They have a data card on them which shows you how to what are their strengths and weaknesses. You dice, and then the ammo, because you can actually shoot real ammo at your opponent and inflict damage to them based on range. And well, if you shoot them with real ammo, it's real hits, and they take damage based on the the damage it takes. So I'm gonna pass it over to my son Lincoln. It's great. He's great at communications. You'll understand every word that he says.
You probably won't, but we're gonna go with these two robots first.
And this is called the Hurricane.
And then you got the Carnival.
The Carnival.
And let's go
Carnival.
through it. So you have these two weapons, which are non-shootable, so they're just kind of fixed weapons.
Right. And those are the dice ammo.
You use dice. And then these two are the real launchers, and this tells you how many bullets there are. Now, the ones with the real launchers have limited ammo.
Limited ammo.
And then this is
and they inflict so much damage. Automatic damage, right? That 5 or what? Isn't that the 5 or loads 5?
No, that's how many bullets.
Oh, I see.
So if these hit, it's an automatic hit, and you just roll for damage.
You roll for damage.
Yeah, right off the bat.
Okay. And the same thing with me. I have two guns that have direct ammo, and all your miniatures come with ammo and with the spring device in it, which will actually shoot the ammo at the opponent. Now, this is called Robogear, and in Robogear, you get everything here. Can you bring the game over here real quick before we start so we can show everybody what's in the game? All right, so Robogear, open it up there. Oh, gosh, what happened? Robogear comes with 8 miniatures, all the rules. You get the infantry, too, but we're not talking about the infantry. That's going to be expanded, correct?
Yeah. Yep, the infantry adds a little bit more to the game. This is the basics.
And you get all of this. You get 8 miniatures inside this game. And this is Robogear, the game. And there are a total of 8 different, 10 different figures. I only have 9 of the figures. A storyline of what happened.
You can get into the lore. You can get into the lore.
The lore?
Yeah.
The lore. Oh, okay. I wondered about that word you were saying. Okay. All right, so let's kind of go over a gameplay so they can understand.
So there's turns and rounds.
Turns and rounds.
And to begin the round, you each roll a dice.
Okay, we're gonna roll a dice. Okay, we've got a 5, so we got to roll off, and I got a 5. So I would go first. Okay, so I'm gonna go first, and
he can do five movements.
5 movements.
Because his health is healed. Now, if he went down, as you get damaged, you go down these. And so he has 5 points to do actions. You can move. That's 1 resource. And depending on what kind of vehicle you have, if you have a flying vehicle, we have a walker and a tread. So 1 point of the 5 will let you move 2 steps. And determining, so we're going to move that right here to the top. And then you can move again to the 4, and that would go down to 3. So he has 3 more resources.
So I can go like that, 8 inches. So I'm going to go to that distance.
And then you used all 5?
Okay, so that means I couldn't shoot, right?
Yeah, you couldn't
shoot. So I moved all my resources so I couldn't shoot. So let's say I decided not to move, but I wanted to shoot once, so I could go back 2 inches and I'd still have 1.
Yeah, you have 1.
All right, so I'm going to have 1 shot.
So let's use a real ammo.
I'm going to use a real ammo, and you load it like a real ammo, and then you push the button. So you have to aim to make sure you target. All right? Oh, bullseye, baby.
And he hit, so...
I hit him right on target, guys.
So then what's nice about that is I can't defend it because
it hit you,
so
correct.
he's just rolling for
So
damage.
I'm rolling for damage, and I rolled 2. So I moved that down 2.
No, I moved it down.
Well, I can because I hit you.
2.
All right, so he's down to 2. Now, so then I can't use any of my other weapons. Like I could not use these or these weapons because I've already used
You used all your resources.
resources.
Now, if, let's say he didn't move.
I could have used all my resources.
Used all his resources.
Now, what's the range on all these weapons?
You have small, you have short range, medium range, and anything beyond this is long range. So let's say he, instead of shooting with a wheel bullet, he wants to use this cannon. You have A, B, C. Let's get that focus. Of short range, medium range, long range. So this gun is great at medium range.
So 7 inches, I really wanted to be in 7 inches.
You definitely, if you wanted to use it. So let's say he was in medium range. So about right here, he's in medium range. And he has to roll dice. So usually, obviously, if there's like a vehicle or a mound in the way, he could get, but that's for another time.
Right, that's advanced rules. We're just showing the basic rules.
So he's gonna roll to hit. So he gets 2, and then I roll for defense. And I obviously won there.
You had a 6.
Yeah. So.
All right, so I've done my movements, and so now it's your turn. Is that that's 1 round then,
So
right?
That's 1 round.
And you
No,
place.
that's 1 turn.
One turn, right.
Everyone does a turn with every vehicle.
So you're gonna put those there.
That marker, if you have more than.
Did you get all those from here?
No, these ones I got.
Yeah.
I just found that today.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, so now you're gonna now.
So now it's my turn. So I can move if I want, and I can take 2 steps for each resource, and I still have 5. So I'm gonna move 4 right here.
So 2. That's 2 movements, and now you're in
I'm in medium range.
medium range for everything.
Yeah. So,
But you only have 3. You can only fire up to 3 targets, right? Because you move twice.
Yeah, so I can shoot 3 guns.
Right. So you okay?
Now also, when you move, pivoting costs a resource. So let's say you want to turn, you have to pivot before you do it.
Oh, I see.
So like this guy can't move sideways,
Correct.
but my guy can because he.
And that's another point then.
Another way to do it. So I'll use a real bullet.
Okay, so he's gonna shoot me with a real bullet.
Now you can play the game without using these real bullets.
Okay, so he's gonna shoot with the real bullet. Watch the real bullet. Oh, hit me.
So then I can.
Now he's rolling 2 dice. 5.
Damage.
5 damage.
Yeah.
I was at 16,
Yeah.
right?
So you go down.
So now I'm down to 11.
Right. Now when I use a bullet, I gotta make sure the one I.
Oh,
use,
that's right. I
it
took
goes
one
down.
off. Yeah, 5. I only
You
had
go
5 too.
full.
All right.
And then I'm gonna use another one.
Okay, he's gonna shoot me again. So let's zoom in on my guy. See where he hits me. Oh, hit it again. Oh my gosh.
Now what's
Okay,
great,
so that's another 5. Oh, and 4. So I took 4 more hits.
now what's great.
So like a 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm into 8.
So every time I hit you or you hit me, there's another rule that you roll the dice to see if you hit the pilot. Because if you hit, and the only way you can hit the pilot is if you roll 1.
Right.
I didn't, and he
And I didn't. And you didn't.
Now, if you hit the pilot is dead. You take the pilot out, and this is where infantry comes in.
Oh, a guy can jump in and be your...
Yeah, so you
Cool.
can retake it if you really want.
So that's
to.
cool. So that has a lot of interaction. So you did 2 shots,
Yeah.
and you moved twice. You have 1 more, correct?
So I'm gonna use my let's see, short range. I would like to be in short range. Medium range for the plasma gun. So medium range for the plasma gun is the highest.
Okay, so the medium,
6 damage.
6 damage if he hits, and I don't want him to hit.
No.
So what do you roll to hit on that?
So it's mostly a battle between the dice. So
Yes, but it does, the shooting with real live takes away from the dice luck.
Yeah.
That's key.
Yeah, that's why it's really cool with that. Because
Correct.
You can get rid of it and stuff. But really, if you have all this information is in the rule book, so like at short range, you roll a d6 plus 2.
Correct.
So if I'm at short range, I add 2 to the dice roll. I'm at medium range though, so I just roll a d6. And if you're firing at a long range, you minus 1.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, so now you're finished with. Oh, you have one more shot.
Okay.
So what do you have to do? Hit.
So I gotta roll the dice.
Oh.
5. Now you roll for defense.
And I need a 6, so I stopped that.
You stopped it, yeah. So if the accuracy of the shot is lower than the defense of the target, the shot misses and the target is undamaged.
Good.
So
all right, so now we go through. That's the end of that turn. So another turn, and so I now only have, because I'm in the yellow.
Whoa. It's a new round because we just used,
right.
So now
we roll again. See who goes first. So oh man.
So this is cool because I ended, so I could actually hit him some more.
Yeah, see, he's gonna destroy me before, which now, so he's gonna win.
I'm gonna move. Use 2 of my resources.
Now, if you have multiple, but now see, if you are having more than 3 vehicles, he might not want to go after her because now I can then shoot him because he's already used his target. Right.
And one thing great about this game, another thing great about this game is it's as many players
yes.
as one. So you can
she would have 50 people playing on this table. We could do a big battle on this table one and do a video on this.
It alive.
Yes, that'd be cool.
And then have like 5 robots, maybe infantry. All possible.
And that is what's cool about Robogear.
And you can also ram. So like if I wanted to ram,
you don't have enough range though.
I need to be at least.
You already moved up 2
steps. So if I was,
right,
I have to at least be
4 steps to ram.
And all right, so does damage for both of us.
All right, so you're gonna stop there.
Yep. So I'm in.
And short range. Oh, this is. I'm gonna be torched.
So I'm going to go ahead and do the AP cannon.
Oh my gosh.
I roll the die.
A 2 is miss.
Well, you roll the defense because you get 1.
Oh.
So 2. So we're tied. If we tie, we both get damage. Just 1 damage though.
Oh my, and I'm 7. All right.
So I still have 3.
I know. Don't wear it in, okay?
I'll just do real life bullets. Why not?
Well, that's if you can hit me, though. See, that's... Okay, so he's got 2 life hits.
Alright.
Oh, 1.
So I roll for damage. 2.
Oh, no.
And then I roll if I kill the pilot.
No.
I got a 6. No.
Oh, shoot.
And then...
Well, he's going to hit me again, that's for sure.
Well, we want to show them stuff, so I could probably do something else. We could.
Well, this is only a basic. We're trying to show people how this game is played.
So you learn all this in the first 3 chapters.
First 3 chapters in the rules.
You learn about. Also, you will learn about cover.
And these are painted. You can paint your own miniatures if you want. They come gray.
So they're all.
Or weird colors. They come gray or purple.
And you build your own model. We have videos on building the models.
This is one of my favorite paintings right here.
And that's a flying.
That's a flying vehicle.
Yeah.
So I'm coming in with a special flyer and I'm attacking you.
Let me try.
Just so you know.
You know what? It'd be fun.
No, I'm going to come in here and fly and attack you.
You go ahead and try to drop me because this is really cool.
No, you gotta finish. You gotta finish here. You gotta take one more shot. Come on, we gotta see if you take me out because I've got to take you out.
All right.
Oh, you just hit. You just hit.
So.
Oh, 6. That's it. I'm dead. 5, 6, and you killed my guy.
Yeah, I did kill him.
Oh, that's disgusting.
So then that happens.
So that guy. So I took all 6 hits and I went down to 0. So if you're down to 0, you're dead, right?
Yep.
The thing is gone.
Go past the 1. Yep.
Got to go past 1. Well, that's 5. I got 6.
Yep.
So that guy is eliminated.
Yep.
So then my flyer comes in, and what were you saying about flyers? They can pass over.
They can pass over people when they turn. They can only turn 90 degrees.
Right.
No less than 90 degrees. That's important in like more when you get.
So that's people. The thunder.
Yeah.
And the thunder.
Now, Also, these bullets, they aren't...
9. They have 9. Is that 9? No, that's not 5. 5. They can go 9 times.
Oh, wow. Yeah, they are strong.
So what is the flyby? So if I fly over you, then what? You said the flyby.
No, nothing about flyby. No, nothing about that. But these bullets right here, there's only 4 that goes on, and you actually take these out after
every time you shoot.
Yeah. So these bullets get lost.
Sidewinders, kind of like.
Really cool. And
okay,
then,
so that's the Sideliner multi-purpose missile, 4 loads, and it's a 5.5.
Yeah.
5.5 damage. Damage capacity. What's the first number again? It's a 5.5. So that's 5 damage?
Yeah, so that is at short range. So this
short range.
This is something
so I'm short range.
This is short, medium. No, middle is medium, and long range.
So it's still 5.
You are really good.
All right, so what do I need to hit then?
You need to roll the dice.
A 4.
So
you need to get a...
So 4, so you get tied.
What a jerk. But but if I have more, so I only moved once, so technically I could use all these missiles and fire them all at the same time.
Yeah, if you had, yeah, you could.
Okay, I'm going to fire another one. A 6. So that's a 6. He didn't. So you take 6 hits, and then I rolled your, okay, that's it. So you're taking 6 hits, and I got 1 more missile, so I'm going to use that one too, and I got a 3. Crap. Get a 1. Okay, so that's basically the game in a sense, okay? And we're going to be doing more videos on Robogear, but we wanted to show you exactly how the game is played. It's pretty simple. You fire, he fires, you move, you have movement, and you take damage for every hit that you take. I'm going to have to start reading these rules again because I read them about 5 years ago. I painted these about 10 years ago. This is Robogear. We got a whole bucket full of them. This is the toolkit that I keep all the parts in. And this is Robogear, and that's the infantry. Show them the infantry. What the infantry. And these are the guys.
Painted. You can change the
ammo that's on them.
So if you want like a whole sniper unit, you can have a whole sniper unit. Pretty legit game.
And this is Robogear. This is available at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. We have the individual miniatures, which are these guys right here, flyers, walkers. Or you can buy the whole game, which is this, which comes with 8 figures and a base and everything that you can play on. So this is ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and we'll see you later. Don't forget to click below on buying this because it's available right now, okay? So we'll see you later.